Hello everybody, this is Bui from mamaboiskitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today guys, we are going to be making curried cauliflower. This curried cauliflower is a healthy and delicious side dish your dinner needs. So let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. First things first, pull leaves off the base of the cauliflower, remove the core, then pull apart the cauliflower florets. Next, bring a pot of water to a boil, add salt and cauliflower florets. Cook the cauliflower for 3 to 4 minutes. Meanwhile, in a large skillet over medium-high heat, melt about 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Next, add minced garlic. Then we're gonna saute this for 1 minute until the butter is fully melted. We're gonna add turmeric, curry powder, then stir well. As soon as the water starts to boil, we're gonna remove the cauliflower, then add it to the melted butter. That's the curry sauce, guys. It's amazing. Make sure, guys, you tap your strainer or your slotted spoon to release any moisture. Over medium-high heat, we're gonna saute the cauliflower florets for about 3 minutes until they are well coated with the curry sauce. One thing I like about cauliflower, it pairs well with a wide variety of flavors and seasonings. Curry goes a long way in this with slightly earthy, sweet mud flavor. Guys, you need to try this recipe. I hope you'll try it, guys. I know you're gonna love it. Consider subscribing, guys. Give this video a like, leave a comment down below. I love hearing from you guys. Next, chop parsley. Toss in parsley and we are done, guys. It only takes 10 minutes from start to finish, then you have your side dish. Now it's time to serve the cauliflower. It tastes a little nutty and a little sweet with a crunchy texture, and the taste is mild enough to blend well with many other dishes. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.